Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the phone to enable Bluetooth when VoiceOver starts so that Braille displays can connect on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on VoiceOver, then go down and tap on Braille. Next, we go down to the bottom and then tap on Enable Bluetooth on Start. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And when you turn this on, the phone will automatically turn on Bluetooth when VoiceOver starts so that Braille display can connect automatically. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, if you do not want to turn this feature on, you can go back in here and switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.